Hello everyone, welcome back to class. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to add by counting on. If you've seen the previous lesson, match up the representations and numerals. Are you ready? Let's do this. 5 to 5. 7 to 7. That's good of you. This is a piggy bank. How much money is in the piggy bank? Can you count on as the money goes in to find the new amount? Ready? Let's do it. How much is this? This is 5 kobo. Now, a kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 6 kobo. A penny is in. How much is it now? That is 7 kobo. A kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 8 kobo. Again, how much is this? This is 6 kobo. Now, a kobo go in. How much is it now? That is 7 kobo. A kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 8 kobo. A kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 9 kobo. A kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 10 kobo. Again, how much is this? This is 6 kobo. Now, a kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 7 kobo. A kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 8 kobo. A kobo is in. How much is it now? That is 9 kobo. Again, this is a farmer. He needs our help. He said, "Can you help me? I have some sheep in the pen and I have just caught some. How many sheep do I have altogether?" Can you count on to help the farmer? Can you help the farmer by counting on as the sheep go in the pen? The farmer had 5 sheep then. 4 more sheep were added. Let's count on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, 9 sheep are in the pen. The farmer had 5 sheep and he found 4 more. What might that look like? Using 10 frames, this is the representation. Using number line, this is the representation. It means that 5 plus 4 equal to 9. And again, he said, "I've just caught some more sheep. How many sheep do I have altogether now?" Can you help the farmer by counting on? Can you help him by counting on as the sheep go in the pen? 8, 9, 10, How can you make sure you haven't added too few or too many? The farmer had 9 sheep and he found 3 more. What might that look like? Using 10 frames, this is the representation. The yellow counters represent the 3 sheep he founded. Using pictures, this is the representation. The 3 black sheep are the new ones he founded. Seen it? We have black and white sheep together. Just 3 black sheep. On a number line, this is the representation. This stands for the 9 sheep he had earlier. So he founded 3 more. 1, 2, 3. It means 9 plus 3 equal to 12. Using parts to whole model, this is the representation. This is the whole, and the 9 and 3 are the parts. And the same goes for this frame. This is the whole, and these are the parts. And again, he's found some more sheep. Can you help the farmer James by counting on as the sheep go in the pen? First, there are 6 sheep in the pen. Then he found 4 more. Can you help Farmer James by counting on as the sheep go in the pen? 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there are 10 sheep in the pen all together. How many different ways can you find to represent 6 sheep and 4 more sheep? It can be represented as 6 plus 4 equal to 10. It can be represented like this on the 10 frames. The green counters, which is 6, stands for the sheep he had in the pen. And the yellow counters stands for ones he founded, which is 4. See, 6 and 4. This is the same on number line. 6 stands for the sheep he had in the pen. Counting on, we have 7, 8, 9, 10. For the part to whole model, 10 is the whole. 6 and 4 are the parts. The same thing goes for this representation. Let's solve some problems together. Farmer James had 5 sheep in the pen. He put some more in. Now he has this many. How many more sheep did he find? To know that answer, let's count the sheep together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sheep all together. Representing this on 10 frames, these green counters represent the number he had before, which is 5 sheep. But when we counted all the sheep, there are 8 altogether. Am I right? Yes. Now, from 5, let's count and stop at 8. Ready? Go. 6, 7, 8. When you are counting on from a number, you don't need to call the number. That's the reason why I did not mention 5. This yellow counter shows that 3 sheep were added. On the part to whole model, if 8 is the whole, then 5 and 3 are the parts. Look at it on the number line. Remember, we were told that he had 5 sheep, right? But when we counted, we got 8. So let's count on from 5 and stop at 8. Are you ready? Are you ready? 6, 7, 8. It shows that 5 plus 3 equal to 8. And that will be all for this lesson on how to add by counting on. Now you can start and stop in different places when you count on. You can count on from the first number. You can keep track of how many you have counted on. See you again in the next lesson. Bye.